Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how average function works in MS Excel. We have four different functions for average. One is average, second one is AVERAGEA, third one is AVERAGEIF, fourth one is AVERAGEIFS. Basically, the average function is used to find the arithmetic mean of a given range or a set of values. Let's see with some examples. First one, average function. I'm just trying to get the average of the given range from G column. So this will give the value 35.18, which is the average of all these numbers. As you can see here, one more example, getting the average of all the cells from H column. Which is 32.36. This is the use of average function. There is another function called AVERAGEA, which does the same functionality of average. The only difference is that it will consider the text as 0 to calculate the average. Let's see just one example for AVERAGEA function. AVERAGEA of since this column doesn't have any text function involved, it is giving the same value what we got here. Let's say there are some text in the range, like here in this column, and see how this calculates with the use of AVERAGEA function. So it is giving the averages 26.45, which means for these two cells it will consider the value as 0, and based on that it will give the value as average. Just to ensure it is correct, let's just make these numbers as 0 here. And if you look at the average here, it is 26.45, which was returned here. So the difference between average and AVERAGEA is AVERAGEA can calculate even if it is text present within the given range, but those text cells will be considered as 0. That's how the AVERAGEA function will work. The third function is AVERAGEIF, which will basically does the same functionality what average function does, but based on the given criteria. Let's see with few examples here. I'm going to get the count of the category fruit. So I'm going to use the function now, AVERAGEIF of, from the category I need fruit. For the fruit category I need the total average of the count given. It is returning 18.33. So let's see if it is correct. We have only 3 rows for fruit, and the average of these 3 cells is 18.33. Let's see one more example. From the category I need only other category, and I need the average of the count column. You can get any average for any column. So let's take the count for the price. So here from the other category I need the average of the price, which is 35.66. 35.66. AVERAGEIFS function does the same functionality. However, we can give more than one criteria. Let's see a few examples. average if is of I need the average of price column for the category fruit and from the name I need only for orange. So here it is returning the price of fruit category. Within the fruit category, the price of orange, which is 25. That's what returned here. Since we have only one row which is matching this criteria, fruit orange, it is returning 25. If it is having more than one row for fruit and orange with different prices, then it will return the average of those rows. Let's see one more example. I need the average of price for the category veg and the count whichever is greater than 35. So I need the average of price column for the category vegetable and for the count whichever is greater than 35. So we have 5 different rows for vegetables, out of which only 3 rows are greater than 35. So it will take the average of these 3 prices, which is basically 40, 45 and 34, which average is 39.66, which is returned here. So this is how the average functions works in MS Excel. I hope this video is useful. If so, please comment and subscribe to my channel so that you can see all the videos whichever I am uploading for Microsoft Excel functions. Thanks for watching.